Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in DEPHEMEREMBER. And this is day 11, and our prompts are Halloween meets Christmas. Now I have to admit, in my world, Halloween does not mean Christmas. Christmas means so much more to me. But in the spirit of this prompt, I will be happy to give it a try. So I have got some different things. I've got some gold thread. I've got some Christmas stickers. And I've got a few Halloween. I've got from the Digital Collage Club. I think it's Make and Create or something like that. I haven't gotten used to the new name yet. I've got some candy canes, some different papers, and what I'm going to make today is going to be the last one on the 7th. I did a belly band, so I'm going to make a card to go in, tuck into that belly band. So I have, first of all, I need to make sure it'll fit. Yeah. Alright, so I have got some background paper, which is Christmas, and I am just going to round the corners so it'll match my card. I'm still using the black background, and I hope everybody's doing great. Be sure and check out Barbara of 49 Dragonflies channel, and be sure and check out Luise Heinzel's channel. They're the ones that's hosting this challenge, and they are so talented. So be sure and check them out. Let's see if I can. My glue is just not wanting to come out completely right. Okay. So I've already inked my little girl in the frame. I don't think this one really needs to be inked, but I've already inked this one, and I'm going to add her down, and let's see what we'll go. I've got a bunch of different little things to see what we can add with it. Kind of leaning towards those trees, and I have not inked this, but it says Christmas waves a magic wand over this world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. So, magic wand kind of made me think of Halloween as well as the Christmas. So I'm going to add that. So let's go ahead and put that down. If you hear any talking, my husband and son is in the next room. Okay. Get this down. I love that little girl. Okay. I didn't ink around this, so I think I will ink around that, obviously. Add that down. And I may add some of this gold thread if I can find the end. This is some embroidery floss. There we go. And it's all tangled up. Here we go. And I'm going to just lay that down. There we go. Maybe tuck that in there. And maybe a little bit underneath that one. All right, well, it doesn't really want to go around. So now let me add in my glue. There we go. And I have these stickers, and I believe I'm gonna give her a little Christmas bow as well as the pumpkin. Oh, I don't really want to. There we go. I think that's cute. Let's see if, oh, what about a candy cane? I like that. There we go. I love it. And I will go around it in gold. First, let me take care of the back. Now, I've cut this paper here. I want around the corners. This one, I think I will distress. It is some Halloween paper. Okay. That down, and I've got a little bit of line paper that I'm going to use for a journaling spot. I want to ink that up, maybe that way. Like that. Okay. All right, we'll add that there. Maybe a tree. Where I've got this. It's a spooky thing, but the colors are Christmassy. And also got a candy cane there. I like that. don't think I'm going to add any of the gold string back here. I think it'd just be too hard. Maybe. I like that. I think I will, since it's white, just give it a little bit of a distress. And I do have some more of those poinsettias tied in with the ones on the front. If I can get them off. So I think I'll just do those on the corners. So that's our back side. I love it. Now I'm just going to go around the edges with my gold wax paste. I love the way the wax paste just frames it out. If I thought about it, I would have went around the frame. I love it. And I'm just going to finish it off with some gold splatters. Okay. And I want to do it on the back as well. All right. I love it. And it will just fit right in. To my belly band. So cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all be sure and check out Barbara and Luisa's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER, or DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. And of course, that's a hashtag in front. So y'all take care. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.